Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 30 of July of saving $6 a day in my daily minis. I am so excited that I'm going to keep doing this in August, and I'm going to even put a little twist on it that I've been inspired to do by a couple other budgeters. So I'm going to see how it works for August, and I might implement it for the rest of the year. Time will tell. So let's put our $6. I did bring back a 5, so hopefully we finish one of those challenges with that needs a 5 instead of all of our $4 ones. And then I'm going to pull out our $6 in prep coins, set that there. We're going to start at the second envelope, the Great White. I am definitely enjoying Shark Week this year. So yeah, I hope you are too. And if not, no worries. Thanks for coming back and hanging out with me. So let's get started. Ooh, 3 for number 2. 2 for 3. You get back in there. 2 for 4. Come on, big money for the Mako. Oh, 1 for the Mako. 3 for 6. Let's go back to the black tip. 2 for the black tip. 1 for the Great White, and this is where we started, so 3 for 3. 1 for 4. Come on, 3. Yes, it worked. 1, 2, and 3 for the pumpkins. I have 2, so 1, 2. So that means I'm going to put 1 back on number 1, and we will start at 2 again. Can't believe tomorrow's the last day. It's so crazy. I mean, at least of July. All right, so let's see. Number 1. 1, 2, 3. So number 1 got 75 cents. This one is exactly what we needed from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. I wasn't even thinking of this one when I thought of some we could finish. So that's 75 cents to finish off Oh Heifer Please. So this will save us $5. And it is going to household, yes. Oh, I need to put another one in there. And I did finally find some of my shark ones. I'm very excited. So let's do... Let's do this one from SW Fanatic Saves. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make one of these 50 cents. Down here, be 25. 1, 2, 3, $4. Okay, put that in number 1. All right, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we got $1. Got this one from Kimmy's Corner, our little patriotic roosters and fish. So we can do 4 squares. I want my brighter blue. Yeah. Awesome. And we'll start there tomorrow. All right, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1.25. Oh, this is the one I was thinking of. Oh, gotta get situated to do my last little heart. So we just needed 25, and we finished this one from the Millennial Saver, which I'm pretty sure she changed her channel name. And I have that down below. So this one saved us $4, and it's going to Apple TV. And it's $4. Okay. So we have $1 to put in a new one. So that's completed. What's back here? Oh, I might do mine. This is free on my Ko-fi. You know, Shark's going back to school with their Wonder Woman lunchbox. So we have $1. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's started that one. Love it. All right, so we have 75 cents going into number 4. This one is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers, so I can do the rest of this row. So 25, 50, and 75. So pretty. I love the colors. All right. And then number 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do $1 in Judy's Pumpkin, Save with Judy. 2, 3, 4. So we can finish out that row. I will be right back. Perfect. So we're only down to 75 cents and that one will be done. And then last but not least, we have number 6. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1.25. Going in this one from Amanda O for the Dresden Files. She made this for Grease at Kimmy's husband on Kimmy's Corner. So that is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay! Awesome. All right, so we're gonna flip back to the front. We're gonna put our prop coins away. All right, and now let's grab our $5 and $4. Household for the 5 and Apple TV for the 4. So yay, we get to use one of our 5s. And then we need 1, 2, 3, $4. I'm gonna leave this binder out so I can put those completed challenges back in here. And let's see, these should both be in my tan one. So Apple TV is getting 4. That's right up front. And then household is back here. And that is getting 5. Perfect. Yay, I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. If we finish any more, if we'll finish Judy's, who knows. And all of these challenges, I think I'm just gonna keep, roll it into August. It'll just be in different envelopes, different, all that. So, but probably still bring some of the sharks into August. Why not? So, all right, guys, we will see you tomorrow for our last day in July. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until tomorrow, take care. Bye.